Good morning, class. Mr. McKenzie. This is called the ninth grade progress monitoring activity sheet. We're down to 5 weeks. We are required to get this done. Please look to the right-hand side. Ms. Ibuke's numbers are going to be number 3 through 17. Ms. Mallett's number, 18 through 34. Mr. Norton, 34 through 48. Ms. Bryant, 49 through 64. Mr. McKenzie, 65 through 79. On this list, look for your name, look for your number. Your number corresponds to your teacher. That's the teacher you need to send a picture of your college class and your college grade to your teacher every Thursday by 2:30 p.m. And then that document will be sent over to Mrs. Baker for a principal's meeting that she has to go to and deal with every week. So here's an example. Joshua is number 3. Number 3 is Ms. Ibuke's. Joshua will send his picture, his class information to Ms. Ibuke. I'm going to do another example. Caleb, number 34. Number 34 is Mr. Norton. Caleb would send his information to Mr. Norton. I'll do another example. Nia, number 63. Number 63 is Mrs. Bryant's. Nia will send her information to Mrs. Bryant. And then finally, I'll do one from my group. Let's go down to number 66, Lemuel. Lemuel will send his information to Mr. McKenzie. It's very imperative that we get this done. We have lightened the load for you on the collegiate side. Your college professors from Cedar Valley. It is a college class. Students, they have their own grading parameters and rules that they have to abide by. So we want you to be successful in our class, your high school teacher class, as well as your college professor class. Any of you, once we get your information, we can help work with you and your professor, and we can help you with your college class. So we're all communicating. We're like your mentor teachers, and we are helping to mentor you as you continue to go through the progress of becoming a high school and a college graduate in the next 3 years. You've already completed just about year number 1. So students, we have 3 more years. We're down to 5 weeks for year number 1, and we want everybody to finish strong. There will be a summer school for those that need it, but we want to try to make sure as many students as possible that you pass your classes and that you move on to the next level. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Send me a reminder and I will respond. Finally, each teacher has their own way of connecting with them. For Mr. McKenzie, group number 65 through 79, look at your name, look at your number. You will communicate with me through the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, there is a progress monitoring assignment. There is where you will post and turn in the picture of your screen, as well as any other information you need to let me know. I can't log into Blackboard. My internet was down. I was unable to get with my professor. And then I can, in addition to you, maybe forward that over to Ms. Baker and to your professor and let them know what's going on. But you've got to be in communication. I'm sorry for talking so much. You've got to be in communication with your professor, Ms. Baker, about your college classes every week. And then, of course, you got to contact your high school teachers as well about your assignments. Okay, so if you have any questions, please send me an email or send me a remind, and then I will respond. Thank you.